Hey guys, welcome to Blissful Spaces. Come along and spend the day with me. In this video, I'll be sharing some amazing me time ideas that will surely inspire you. Keep watching. Yep, I'm in trouble again. So I went shopping and this is what I got. String of turtles. This plant is beautiful. Oranta, the lemon lime prayer plant. String of pearls. I've been wanting this plant forever. I finally got a mister. And then let's take this out a little bit so you can see it a little better. My all-time favorite and best houseplant purchase of 2021. Keep watching and I will share the names of the different plants that I just purchased. I'm super excited. This. So healthy. I only spent $100. And this is a Christmas gift to myself. I love this plant. And this, I think, was a really, really good deal. Another prayer plant for $20. I love it. The highlight of my morning, meeting the amazing Juliana, the plant-based dietitian. We had so much fun. And of course, the recipes are perfect. I encourage you to get out and grow, cook your own healthy plant-based meals, and to stay healthy. Keep watching. What an exciting day. Taking care of me, pampering me, teaching others my knowledge on gardening and how to cook and prepare plant-based meals. I'm home finally, kicking off my shoes, and I just wanted to give you a quick little houseplant tour, some of the plants that we purchased this morning. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm so glad that you shared this day with me. Don't forget to fill your soul motivational moments, and be sure to watch all the way to the end to see my very first houseplant tour. And there will be many more. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy.